Barris Hammond OJ is a Jamaican reggae singer known in particular for his lovers rock music. Born the ninth of 10 children, Hammond grew up listening to his father's collection of American soul and jazz music including Sam Cooke and Otis Redding. Reggae musician whose 2012 album One Love, One Life was #1 on the reggae albums Billboard chart. He was further influenced by the native musics of ska and rocksteady, in particular Alton Ellis. While his career began in the 1970s, he reached his greatest success in the 1990s. In October 2018, he released his first album for almost 6 years, Never Ending, which features contributions from musicians including Errol Holt, Mafia and Flugsy, Dean Fraser, and Robbie Lynn. In 2013, he was awarded the Order of Jamaica by the Jamaican government in recognition of his exceptional and dedicated contribution to the Jamaican music industry. His 2012 album One Love, One Life topped the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. In January 2014, it was nominated for a Grammy Award. He returned to Jamaica to perform at the opening ceremony for the Cricket World Cup 2007. He released yet another album in 2008, A Moment in Time on VV Records, which featured the single I Feel Good. Hammond began participating in local talent contests from 1972 to 1973, which led to his first recording of Alice Wanderer. In 1975, he joined the band Jab Pow as lead singer, leading to the hit 1978 single The System under the Aquarius Records label. Hammond formed his own record label, Harmony Records, in 1985 for the release of his Make a Song album, which had two Jamaican chart toppers that were influenced by the emerging dancehall style, Groovy Little Thing and What One Dance Can Do. Hammond returned briefly to Jamaica to record Putting Up Resistance, which was significantly harder than his typical ballads, produced by Tapa Juki, which spawned the hits Putting Up Resistance and Strange. He signed with Penthouse Records in 1990 and returned to Jamaica permanently to record the dancehall smash Tempted to Touch with producer Donovan Germain. This is perhaps his best known song in the United States and United Kingdom and set the foundation for the hits Is This a Sign and Respect to You Baby on the 1992 Love Affair album. His first album of the new millennium was 2001's Music is Life, which featured an appearance by Wyclef Jean and contributions from Earl Chena Smith and Florgan.